I love Shenzhen. Every single corner of this beautiful city for me is just magic. And as soon as they opened this brand new station, I decided I have to come here to take a look and show you what this station is about. This is Ganxian North. Come with me and take a look. When I first came to Shenzhen 7 years ago, there were only a few lines working. Now look at this beautiful map of the Shenzhen subway. Lines and stations are already working for the benefit of everybody, for us who live here in Shenzhen.